Is your Android phone stuck in headphone mode even when no headphones are connected? Don't worry, today I will show you how to fix it instantly using just one free app from the Play Store. So let's get started. First, open the Play Store and search here disable headphone. Now install this app. Disable headphone HDST toggle. Simply install it. Now just open it and click on the allow. Now you can see two options, headphones and speakers. If you want to test sound headphone, simply click here, and if you want to test, then simply click here. You can see if your headphone is stuck, then you need to select this speaker option. Simply click it, and now the headphone icon is gone and speaker works again. Problem solved in seconds. If this worked for you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Android fix. Thanks for watching.